Hello everyone, draw a circle and on top of it, draw capital letter C in an inverted manner and extend lines in the middle. Then draw that soulful eye and a little nose and a cute smile and have a little fang. Then also extend curvy lines from the outer side, making the mane of the lion. Then draw number 6 at the bottom and number 1 and close it with a curved shape. Then also draw a little line making the toes and draw the naughty tail and the whiskers and color a lion. Draw a big capital letter C and one more C at the bottom of it and a capital letter V and one more V by the side. Then on the other side of the capital C, extend a line, make it a pointy triangle. Then have two more pointy triangles, one on top and one in the middle of the bottom. Then have a soulful eye and have inverted capital letter U on the top section on the right side and make a little tummy for a dinosaur. Draw small letter M on the left side of it, draw inverted number 3 on the right side, draw number 3 closing the shape, and the bottom of it, draw number 3 and parallel to that a little inverted number 3 and even more smaller number 3 on the right side closing the shape. Then draw a sulfur eye and a little mouth and an inverted U in the middle of the number 3 and a capital letter V in the middle of it. And also color the inside of the ears with pink and also do the blushes and color the carrot. Draw a curvy line and on top of it draw an inverted capital U and complete it with a hearten shape at the end. On the left side have a little curve and draw a soulful eye and an inverted number 3 and have vertical lines parallel to each other in the middle of the curve and extend the hearten shape from the top and have little bubbles and color a beautiful veil. Draw a circle and in the middle of it have a capital letter V and extend lines on either side of the pointy edges on the capital letter V and on the pointy edge at the bottom have a little circle making a nose and draw the soulful eye and a little curve for the mouth and draw number 6 at the bottom and extend a little curve and draw capital V on the right side and close the shape and draw the naughty tail and have a line in the middle making a lovely squirrel. Draw capital S and have little lines on top and bottom and extend number 3 on the right side and an inverted number 3 on the left and have pointy triangles on top of the left side, little smile for the right and draw a naughty fluffy tail on the right side bottom and a little elongated fluffy tail on the left side and draw the whiskers on the left and on top of the right side have it colored pink in the middle of the curve and draw the blushes and have the patches on the left side in the orange color. Draw a circle and number 22 at the bottom of it and have number 3 in an inverted manner in the middle of the circle and number 3 by the side of it and draw two curves on either side of the circle and have a little line in the middle of it, draw a soulful eye and a little nostril and a smile and connect this shape to the number 2 in the front. And after that make some curve in the front by making the toes and also have little curves on top of the toes for making the front paws and do the naughty and color monkey. Draw a horizontal line on top of which draw number 3 with the top part being larger and on the second number 3 have two elongated oval shapes and extended and connected with the first 3. Then do the naughty tail and have a little soulful eye and color the inner side of the first oval shape with pink and do the blushes. Draw two horizontal lines on the left side, have inverted number 3 on the right side number 3 and on top of it have a large circle on the bottom sides of it, have little circles and have little lines for the paws and on the top sides of it have an elongated oval shape and draw a soulful eye and little nose and a beautiful snout. Do the blushes and color the heart in. Draw a vertical line on the right side of it, have a small letter M and extend curves on either side and extend a line on the right side and have a capital letter C and on the right side of the line have a fluffy tail and draw the soulful eye and a little mouth and color the inner side of the M with some pink color and do the blushes, the lovely bunny. Draw number 7 at the bottom of it, number 2 from top of the number 7, have a circle but don't complete it, have a curve and connect it to the bottom of the 2. Then do the naughty tail and have two capital letter V's for the front legs and complete the bottom 2 with a curve and color the inner side of the circle with pink and do the blushes. Thank you everyone for watching this video.